Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe will be mutton pulao. Let's quickly get started. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification for latest updates. Firstly, basmati rice 300 grams, mutton with bone 300 grams, 1 large sized onion, 2 medium sized tomatoes, two green chilies, coriander leaves, cinnamon 1 inch, 3 cloves and 2 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise and a small pinch of mace, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, oil 75 ml, peppercorns half teaspoon, shahi zeera half teaspoon, normal that is the white zeera half teaspoon. This is a one pot dish, so try making it with a vessel that has a perfect lid. So first add meat 300 grams, sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, coriander leaves, whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, black peppercorns, bay leaf, star anise and mace, normal zeera, shah zeera, salt, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder. Give it a good mix. Add sufficient water so that the meat is completely immersed. If you're using lamb meat, then use a pressure cooker to boil the meat. Cover and cook with lid on for about 20 minutes. So the meat has been cooked well. Keep the flame on high so that the water evaporates completely. Once the water evaporates, add in the curd. Mix in the curd or yogurt properly into the meat until the raw smell of the curd disappears. Now add in about 75 ml of oil. And roast it along with the meat. This is the quickest meal you can prepare for lunch in no time. Meanwhile, wash the basmati rice thoroughly and soak it. This process is called bhunna in Hindi. The oil has been mixed well and separated from the meat. Now add about 400 ml of water. Cover it with the lid and wait until it boils. Check for salt at this stage. Add if it's necessary. Water has been boiling. Now add the soaked basmati rice very carefully. Give it a good mix. Very gently with the spatula so that the rice does not break. Add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Adding lemon juice will keep the rice non-sticky and separate from one another. As you can see, 75% of the water has been evaporated. Now it's time to give it a dum. Means cover and cook. Cover the lid with the aluminum foil and close the pan for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and let's just open and check the rice. As you can see, the rice has been perfectly cooked. It's long, grainy and non-sticky. Let's check on the meat. It is perfectly soft, tender. As I told you, it is a perfect one-pot dish which could be made for any Friday afternoon. The rice is fragrant, non-sticky and been perfectly cooked. On the other hand, the meat is soft, tender and has almost left the bones. Let's get it plated. Serve it with a yogurt dip. For the yogurt dip or raita, take a bowl of whisked yogurt, add crushed green chilli, coriander, mint and zeera. Yes, it's perfect to go. Don't miss to try this for your family. Make sure to leave a like and comment. Stay tuned for many more recipes from Aziba's Cuisine.